Welcome to today's review on the LG 10000 BTU SACC portable air conditioner. This unit is an incredibly reliable and convenient solution for keeping medium and large rooms comfortably cool throughout the day and night. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this air conditioner at the best price in the market. Right from unboxing the LG AC, you will notice the premium build quality and thoughtful design that makes installation simple even for beginners, and the compact white exterior allows it to blend seamlessly into any room decor. The cooling power of 10,000 BTU is perfect for spaces up to 450 square feet, ensuring you can enjoy consistently cool temperatures in bedrooms, living rooms, basements, or attics without struggling with weak airflow or uneven cooling. And the dual inverter technology delivers up to 40% energy savings compared to traditional non-inverter models, making it a cost-effective choice for everyday use. One of the standout features of this portable AC is its whisper quiet operation, operating at just 44 decibels in sleep mode, so it won't disturb your work, movie time, or sleep, and you can even enjoy a peaceful night while staying cool. The LG ThinQ app integration is another highlight, giving you full control of your air conditioner from anywhere simply by using your smartphone, which means you can pre-cool the room before arriving home or adjust settings without getting up, and you can easily monitor energy consumption to stay efficient and eco-friendly. This AC is a multi-purpose 3-in-1 unit, providing cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, allowing you to tackle hot, humid, or stuffy conditions effectively. And the dry mode is particularly useful in damp environments to prevent moisture buildup and improve overall comfort. Its medium to large room coverage makes it extremely versatile, whether you need a single powerful AC for a living room or a bedroom. The adjustable fan speeds and directional vents ensure personalized airflow exactly where it is needed most. Maintenance is also straightforward, with dust filters and a filter light reminder to let you know when cleaning is required, ensuring long-lasting performance without hassle. While no product is perfect, it is worth noting that the portable design means occasional drainage is required in high humidity situations, and it is slightly taller than some other models, but the overall convenience, energy efficiency, and cooling capacity easily outweigh these minor drawbacks. In addition, LG provides reliable customer support, and the brand reputation ensures peace of mind when investing in this appliance. Whether you live in a city apartment or suburban home, this portable AC is a great option to enjoy a consistently comfortable indoor environment without committing to permanent installations, and the sleek white design gives it a modern look that fits naturally into any space. If you are looking for an easy-to-use, energy-efficient, quiet, and versatile cooling solution that is suitable for medium to large rooms, this LG 10000 BTU SACC portable air conditioner is worth serious consideration, and the link in description below provides the best pricing available, so you can secure your unit today and enjoy instant cooling comfort in your home without any delays.